In the quest for optimal health, we often come across the term alkalizing. But what does it mean? Why is it important? And perhaps most crucially, how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? Today, we go on a journey through the realm of alkalizing foods, a journey that promises to enlighten, inspire, and ultimately transform the way we nourish our bodies. Let's start with the cornerstone of any healthy diet: leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are not only packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but also possess powerful alkalizing properties. Rich in chlorophyll, these vibrant greens help to neutralize acidity in the body, promoting balance and vitality from within. 2. Cucumber. It's hard to beat the refreshing crunch of a crisp cucumber on a hot summer's day. But did you know that this humble vegetable is also a potent alkalizer? With its high water content and abundance of alkaline minerals, including potassium and magnesium, cucumber acts as a natural coolant for the body, soothing inflammation and promoting pH balance. 3. Avocado. Your favorite fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly alkalizing. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin E, avocados help to alkalize the body while nourishing it from the inside out. Whether sliced, diced, or mashed into guacamole, this versatile fruit deserves a place on every alkaline diet. 4. Celery. Crunchy, refreshing, and so alkalizing, celery is a nutritional powerhouse in its own right. With its high water content and abundance of alkaline minerals, including potassium and sodium, celery helps to flush toxins from the body while promoting optimal pH balance. Whether enjoyed on its own, dipped in hummus, or added to soups and salads, celery is a must-have for any alkaline enthusiast. 5. Broccoli. When it comes to alkalizing foods, broccoli reigns supreme. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including calcium and vitamin C, broccoli helps to alkalize the body while supporting overall health and well-being. Whether steamed, sautéed, or roasted to perfection, this green superfood is a delicious addition to any alkaline diet. 6. Bell peppers. With their vibrant hues and crisp texture, bell peppers add a burst of flavor and nutrition to any dish. But did you know that these colorful veggies are also alkalizing? Packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and an array of alkaline minerals, including potassium and magnesium, bell peppers help to neutralize acidity in the body while promoting optimal pH balance. Whether raw, roasted, or stuffed to perfection, bell peppers are a tasty way to alkalize your diet. 7. Lemons. When life gives you lemons, alkalize your body. Despite their acidic taste, lemons are actually one of the most alkalizing foods on the planet. Rich in vitamin C and citric acid, lemons help to neutralize acidity in the body while promoting detoxification and hydration. Whether squeezed over salads, added to water, or used to dress up your favorite dishes, lemons are a refreshing way to alkalize your diet and support overall health and well-being. 8. Watermelon. Is there anything more refreshing than biting into a juicy slice of watermelon on a hot summer's day? Not only is watermelon delicious, but it's also incredibly alkalizing. With its high water content and abundance of alkaline minerals, including potassium and magnesium, watermelon helps to hydrate the body while promoting optimal pH balance. Whether enjoyed on its own or blended into smoothies and juices, watermelon is a tasty way to alkalize your diet and beat the heat. 9. Almonds. Crunchy, satisfying, and incredibly alkalizing, almonds are a nutritional powerhouse in their own right. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including calcium and magnesium, almonds help to alkalize the body while promoting satiety and satisfaction. Whether enjoyed on their own, sprinkled over salads, or blended into smoothies and nut milk, almonds are a delicious way to alkalize your diet and nourish your body from the inside out. 10. Garlic. Garlic may be pungent, but it's also incredibly alkalizing. Packed with sulfur compounds, antioxidants, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and selenium, garlic helps to neutralize acidity in the body while supporting immune function and detoxification. Whether minced, sliced, or roasted to perfection, garlic is a flavorful way to alkalize your diet and boost your health and well-being. 11. Quinoa. Quinoa is not only delicious but also incredibly alkalizing. Packed with protein, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and manganese, quinoa helps to alkalize the body while providing sustained energy and satiety. Whether enjoyed as a side dish, added to salads, or incorporated into soups and stews, quinoa is a versatile way to alkalize your diet and support overall health and well-being. Last but not least, we have green tea, the elixir of longevity. Packed with antioxidants, catechins, and an array of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and magnesium, green tea helps to alkalize the body while promoting detoxification and hydration. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, green tea is a refreshing way to alkalize your diet and support optimal health and well-being. In conclusion, incorporating alkalizing foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to promote optimal health and well-being. From leafy greens and cucumber to avocado and broccoli, the possibilities are endless when it comes to alkalizing your diet and nourishing your body from the inside out. So why wait? Start incorporating these alkalizing foods into your daily routine today and experience the transformative power of pH balance firsthand. Your body will thank you for it.